Let's talk about more about, let's say, content, so more from a workflow perspective, right? I think when I look into many organizations, they have their established kind of traditional workflow, right? Does that work even with the new tools, or do the customers really need to change the way how they work and what they do?
So our thought process is we need to have AI in the loop and human in the loop.
Yeah.
So it's not that AI is gonna fix it all, but what we could do is we can monitor trends. If we see that an invoice comes in and get processed the same way over time, then we can look at a trend, we can track the data and say, okay, we've seen this happen now many times, we can recommend a workflow to be generated, we can recommend a data to be mapped in a certain way, and with a human in the loop, someone would review this recommendation from AI and say, you know, great, it looks good to me, let's go ahead and create. That does save a lot of time, because normally between, doing it manually across many people in the organization, the trend of this workflow needing to be created, or this algorithm of mapping or matching needs to be created, it's hardly ever discovered, because you deal with it maybe twice a month, others twice a month, but in aggregation, it looks like this is something that will save days worth of work if it gets automated. So this is where the concept of AI in the loop is AI watching across an organization who's creating these workflows, or where are these workflows or trends in the behavior of how people do their manual work, and then recommending to a human that this workflow needs to be created and here's how to do it, and then getting someone to approve it. I think that will help a lot, because when your head's down in automation and across a global organization with so many people doing the work, like I said, it becomes harder to discover these anomalies and these workflows that needs to be created and generated. So I think AI to that extent is a really good help there.